Hello boys and girls, and welcome to our flipped number 5 addition strategies and number strings. Today we're going to try and learn how our addition strategies that we've been working on tie in a little stronger with our number strings. We're going to look at two strategies today. The first strategy is a strategy called adding on. We've been doing this with our base 10s. If we have 46 plus 10, we'll want to look at our 10s and our 1s columns. And here we have a 1 in the 10s that we need to add to this column of 10s. So 4 10s plus 1 more, is 5 10s, and there's no change in the 1s, 56. Then we can start looking at some more difficult questions. 46 plus 20. I need to take those 2 10s and add them to the 4 10s. So this is a very similar strategy. 46 plus 20 will be 66. For the last one, I just want to show you quick how a number line can help us figure this out. That's another strategy that you can use. Put 46 on a number line and take 3 jumps of 10 because we have 3 in the 10s column. 46 plus 10 is 56. 10 more is 66. 10 more is 76. So if you get stuck, think of your number lines. The next strategy that we're going to talk about today, which you're also going to be familiar with, has a fancy name called compensation. That is a very big word, compensation. And compensation just means we're adding more than is needed, and then we're going to subtract the extra amount. You practice this with your add 9s. 46 plus 9. We're just going to pretend it's 46 plus 10, which would be 56, and subtract that extra 1 to make 55. You can use a number line with this skill too by doing this. 46, add 10, because we're going for 19, add 20, add 10 more, sorry. 46 plus 10 is 56. Add 10 more would be 66, but then we just got to skip back that little 1, minus 1, 65. So 46 plus 19, 65. 46, 56, 66, back 1 is 65. That strategy that we've been working on is called compensation. So here, guys, is your homework for the week. Strings to practice. These strings, I'd like to see, can you do them in your head? Can you use some of the strategies we've used? I want you to figure out, what strategy is this? Is this a compensation strategy, or is that an adding on strategy? And finally, once you've done them in your head, explain your thinking to an adult. This is the part where we're really going to challenge our brains to work without our hands. In number 3 and 4 and 5, those are strings that look like those strings from last week. So strings can go in 2 different ways. The add-ins can go down, or the add-ins can go across. So for string 3, 4, and 5, do those just like last week. Here's an extra challenge. When you're done, try doing them in your head. Can you use your adding on and your compensation strategies to figure those out in your head? Remember, just because the add-ins appear in this order doesn't mean you have to add them in that order to find the sums. Okay, guys, so there's your challenge for Friday. I'm looking forward to some more fabulous discussions. Thank you.